What is a circuit? Circuit is a closed loop or conducting path that electric charges can flow. Let's start using the battery holder in the kit. Make sure to match the plus side of the battery to the plus side of the holder. We also use the switch. Put a light bulb in a holder. And we also need some wires. Let's make a simple circuit. Connect light bulb and battery. Connect light bulb and switch. Then connect battery and switch. When the switch is closed, the circuit is completed and the light is on.